Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to scan Instagram QR code. To scan Instagram QR code, open the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner, then tap and hold on your profile icon. Here you will find the QR code option, tap on this and the QR code of your profile will be visible to you. Now you can show it or share this to anyone to scan this Instagram QR code. Hope the video is helpful to you as the process is very simple to scan anyone's Instagram QR code. If you want to scan someone other's Instagram QR code, then what you have to do is search for the account like I want to scan this page QR code, then tap and hold on her profile icon. Then you find the QR code option, tap on this and the QR code will be visible to you. You can share this one to other or can show to else device camera to scan this. Thank you. Hope the video is helpful. Do like, comment and share the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.